So one of the other things that you can do is you can select the model right over here. So I selected all the 3 models, and then what I can do is I can go to sharing option right over here, the publishing option, and I can click on export selected for Aero. So what it does is that it creates a 3D model along with the textures in it, so that it's easy for augmented reality applications to work around with it. Although it says Aero, the file that is generated is supported by a wide range of 3D applications. So I'm just going to export it as test and click on save. So it's exporting, and it gives this little warning, as you can see, if the models are too detailed for mobile applications right over here. Anyways, that does not really matter much if you have a powerful mobile phone. So it has been exported, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to not save this. So it's exported right here. So I can do a preview right here, and unlike the previous export of the 3D model, you can see that there is the texture embedded as well, as you can see right here, along with the water splash and everything here. So I can go over here, work around with the lights, and you can see that that is how it looks like. I can do different lightings and so forth. So just like this, I got a 3D model exported out of Dimension, as you can see right here. I can also add in an environment right here. I can add in simply environment. I can go over here and now open this with Paint 3D as well, another 3D application. And if you want to learn more about Paint 3D as well, you can take a look at my playlist. And there you go, the models that we worked with in Dimension is now over here in Paint 3D. So how cool is that? So that is how we can work around with Adobe Dimension's export in Aero. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.